Hola, bienvenidos al podcast del artículo lo en español. Welcome, I'm Senora Stanias. In this podcast, we will be discussing the neuter article lo in Spanish. Please make sure you have your grammar packet with you so you are taking notes as well as writing down any questions you may have. What we are looking at in this podcast is this neuter article lo and how it can be used with adjectives and adverbs in our written and spoken Spanish, and it refers to concepts that have no gender. And we'll see what that means in a little bit. Remember in Spanish that we do have definite articles, el, la, los, and las, and that they must agree in gender and number with the nouns. El chico, las mesas. But lo is a neuter article, and so it's used a little bit differently. And as we go through this podcast, hopefully this will become clearer. The first construction is when we have lo and a masculine singular adjective. This construction is used to express general characteristics and abstract ideas. It'd be like saying in English, the something thing. An example, cuando leo las noticias, lo difícil es diferenciar entre el hecho y la opinión. So lo difícil, the difficult thing. Otro ejemplo, lo bueno de ser famoso es que me da la oportunidad de cambiar el mundo. Lo bueno, the good thing. Another construction we have is with lo más or lo menos, which would be used to express the idea of the most or the least. We can also have lo mejor and lo peor to mean the best or the worst thing. An example with this construction, para ser un buen reportero, lo más importante es ser imparcial. Or, aún no te he contado lo peor del artículo. Just a couple of examples. Now we have this construction lo with either an adjective or an adverb and then followed by K. This construction we would use to say how something with an adjective or how with an adverb. Remember that when we do this construction, the adjective has to agree in gender and number with the noun it modifies. So, looks like this. No te das cuenta de lo bella que eres. We're talking, in this case, to a woman. With the adverb, recuerda lo bien que te fue el año pasado. You can see in the one, how beautiful, adjective, how well, there's your adverb. Lo que. Lo que is a construction that is equivalent to English to either that, what, that, or which. And again, it is used to refer to an abstract idea or to a previously mentioned situation or concept. In other words, this would be something when you have to look at a larger context for those previously mentioned ideas. A couple of examples. ¿Qué fue lo que más te gustó de tu viaje a Uruguay? Lo que más me gustó fue el Carnaval de Montevideo. Muy bien, this ends the podcast. Please make sure you complete the Google Docs form after this and write down any questions you have. Gracias y hasta mañana.